Right, so we are going to use the GHD Smoothing Hot Brush. Okay, so it's this contraption here. Really nice and weighty. And you just turn it on here, and basically, so it will straighten your hair. So this is Hetty, she's got a natural wave in her hair. So I'm just going to show you how it will straighten it. So it's not as a harsh straightening like a straightener will do it. It's a softer straightening. So I'm just going to show you. It's only just warmed up. So it gives more volume than a straightener. Okay, so just face the camera, just to see how quick and easy that was. Whereas this side is all super wavy still, which looks gorgeous. But if you just fancy a sort of a straighter look that's not poker straight, it's brilliant. Right, let's carry on, shall we? Mm-hmm. Okay. All right, look at the camera. Have a look. Yeah, look at that.
Oh my god.
Isn't it? Let me just see if I can just these little bits here. Just want to see if I can
curl them.
Just bring them around a bit.
That's what I do. Once I've like done all my hair, if I straighten it, I'll put the short bits in a roller.
Yeah.
For like a minute.
Do that side.
They're good though.
Yeah, look, that looks nice. Just because a little bend, doesn't it?
Mhm.
And then all we do is you just hold that. Turns off. Look at that. That is brilliant for frizzy hair for the morning.
It's amazing.
Isn't it?
Yeah.
How good is that?
I love that.
I love that. That's excellent, isn't it?
Yeah. Wow.